What's going on, Harley riders? If you're having trouble finding the original style fog light for your older Harley Road King or other touring model, I have a 2000 Road King and it's got the factory fog lights on it, and was having a little trouble finding replacement bulbs. See, it's like this style right here. Also looks like that inside, it's got kind of an odd shape with a little tooth that goes up in there, if you can see that. A couple of prongs around it and that sort of thing. Anyway, if you're having trouble finding a replacement bulb, try an alternative. If you look up on eBay or wherever, your fog lights for many different GM model cars, trucks, and SUVs with the the General Electric part number 881-L. In fact, I think it's got it on here. See that right there? GE 881. And then it'll have an L, probably meaning an L shape or 90-degree mount like this. But that's what I found online. Like, here's the actual ad for it right here. For General Motors vehicles, Blazers, Avalanche, Cavalier, S10s, Dodge Dakota, GMC Jimmy, Sonoma, Altima, Quest, Transport, Ion. Most of these are early 2000s to mid 2000s, some late 90s. But if you look up that bulb, 881L, you will get this bulb right here that fits directly into your OEM fog light connector. I just tested it out. It worked perfectly. Anyway, I was having trouble finding this bulb just by looking up, the normal methods or normal search terms. And there you have it. So that may help you if you're having trouble finding it like I was. So there you go. We'll see y'all later. Check out other channel, other channel content. We've got all kinds of Harley stuff, motocross bike stuff, lawnmower stuff, ATV stuff, chainsaw stuff, hot rod cars, older trucks, Mustangs, Ford Taurus. The list goes on and on with stuff that we, try to do a video on if we do a repair job or a way to fix something, that may be something helpful to you. So check us out, like, subscribe, follow, click that bell, and hopefully you'll find something that may be useful to you. Y'all have a good day.